Hello, here is Dr. Nayan from Advaita Homeopathic Clinic, and today we are going to talk about one of the most important topics. Okay, so if you see, there is so many patients of vitamin B12 deficiency and fungal infections are coming up day by day, and it is very difficult to treat fungal infection nowadays. So we are going to discuss about that. What is the root cause of it? How it is all started? Okay. So we are going to discuss it in three parts. Okay. First will be vitamin B12 deficiency. Second will be fungal infection. Third will be how immunity is compromised. Okay. That will be the third one. And fourth, why antibiotic resistance is too much common nowadays and what exactly happens. So first of all, see, whatever the illness, okay, whether it is fever that is lingering, cough which is not going away, the most common prescriptions nowadays is antibiotic. So if you think, or have you ever dived into how antibiotics works? Okay, that is the most important thing. So see, we keep popping antibiotics in name of recovery. Okay, recovering fast. But do you even know that antibiotic does not know or cannot differentiate between good bacteria and a bad bacteria? So what happens when you take the antibiotic? It destroys all the bacteria in the gut, whether it is a good one or a bad one. Okay, and now what happens? So there are trillions of bacteria in our gut. Okay, more than the stars in the sky. You can think like that, and it is a home for those bacteria. But what happens when we pop the antibiotic? It also destroys the bacteria which are good, like Propionibacterium friedenreichi, Bifidobacterium longum, and Lactobacillus reuteri. Okay, these are the bacteria who produce vitamin B12. Okay, these are the neutral bacteria which does not cause any harm to our body. But we keep popping antibiotic and all these bacteria are destroyed. And that is how vitamin B12 deficiency came up. If you see even Klebsiella pneumoniae, which is the harmful one, they are looking for the opportunity to attack the body. Okay, but they also produce high amount of vitamin B12. So that is all for today, and we'll discuss it further in the next video.